This is my review of the Ring doorbell. This is absolutely the easiest security system for people who want one that you can either A, monitor yourself, or B, you can have the Ring system do it for you. Currently, we're letting them do it for us. I probably will continue to let them do it. The doorbell itself probably took me maybe 20 minutes. I got a level, used some painter's tape, which I just put the painter's tape under here. The box itself comes with some pouches, A, B, and C. The B screws are for the screw that goes under here, which is to keep this housing on, because when you're putting this on, this housing comes off, and then you're just left with the black. There's a screw here, here, and here. They give you white anchors in case you're putting it into masonry or maybe something like drywall where you don't want it to come off. This is hardy plank, so all I needed to do was drill my pilot holes and put the screws in. It was absolutely the easiest thing that I was able to do it super easy. And then underneath here, you can still see my painter's tape. Get that off, and then I was able to put in the special screw.
I'm gonna wait for it to stop spinning. I had just pressed it. This is the doorbell, obviously the camera. The case is not included.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
That is the optional voicemail that you have that you can set up within the app. I think I have to wait for it to stop lighting. I have hooked it up with my Alexa as well, so when someone is at the door and rings the doorbell, my Alexa will also inform me. Let me step away because I don't know if that's what it is. It's very sensitive, but in a good way. You can set up a package detection and have a wide range of space, I guess, to where the Ring can detect package size and or area. See, I have it here because I can't screw it, but it does come with screws and hardware to drill it into the wall.
Okay, hi. What's up, X World? How you doing? Listen, I am tagging Amazon and the Ring products because I have a Ring doorbell, right? That I've been trying to hardwire to my electric of my home. As you guys can see right there. You see how I have my iPad and it's charging? I can't do this on my Ring product. And this is what's pissing me off.
I love my doorbell. It is, the clarity of it is very, very clear. I like the fact that it picks up as soon as people walk up to the door. I love the fact that it catches the packaging when it comes to the door. I think it's worth the money. I caught it on an Amazon deal. It's a very, very good thing to have. First, I love the security purposes of it.